From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? I'll be honest and say that I don't always repurchase products for reasons such as brands do sometimes send me products to try out, and to be honest, I don't care to order products online. And the island that I live on, I went out looking for deep conditioners because I'm running out and I couldn't find any. So the fact that I have to go out of my way to go to the main island to get them is just like, no, I don't care to do it. But nevertheless, lately I have been booking up. Let's translate. I've been getting into contact with products or experiencing products that make me want to go the extra mile and go out of my way to repurchase. And I'll be talking about a few of those products today. And if you haven't checked out my recent video on this topic, check that out. Let me come a little closer. Disclaimer. Well, I'll be out of focus if I do. But anyway, don't ever feel pressured to buy the products that I talk about. But if you want to try it, you already know how your girl Razor feels. You may or may not get the same feeling because you know products work differently on everyone's hair, but just so you know. Okay, so let's go into the video. I'll talk about the products in the order of my cleansers straight down to my stylers. So the first product up is Head and Shoulders Classic Clean 2-in-1. You guys saw me use this in my recent wash day video, well, my quick wash day video, so you already know how I feel about this and how it performs in my hair. If you want to see a video on how this works on my hair, go check out that video. I love this for my quick wash days. It cleanses and moisturizes my hair. I just have to try my best not to get this in my eye because baby, the burn. And I did say this in the video, I have to use a lot of this. That's because it's a cleanser and conditioner, and you know you use a lot more conditioner than a cleanser, so I guess, but that's the only thing I don't really like. But still, this gives me a good clean, especially on the days when I don't have time or when I don't care to wash my hair. Yes, this, I've been loving this. So this is in the love category, and this is also in the I will repurchase category because I bought like a 3-pack of these and then an extra one. So yeah. And next I have a product by the brand no one really cares for right now, but okay. Anyway, so it's the Mael Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. Y'all, I had to pat my face for that one and fix my eyebrows because this is wow, where to start? I feel like for my hair, Mael, they have the most moisturizing shampoos that I have ever used. I love their rice water shampoo as well, but this one right here, this shampoo is so moisturizing, y'all. Like, and it's not too thick and you don't need much of it either. Like sometimes when I use other products, I'm just like, how? I don't understand, but thank you. You know what I mean? It has a pretty good scent as well if you're into scents. I just love this. My hair loves it. I'll put it in the I love category. I won't go out of my way to repurchase this though because I mean I already have a favorite shampoo that you guys know about. I don't really crave moisturizing shampoos. I just want to get my hair clean, so if my hair is clean, it's gonna be moisturized by my conditioner. I don't really care for moisturizing shampoos, but I appreciate what they do, let's say that. So I won't really go to my way to repurchase this, but I love it. Next I have the 2 conditioners that prompted me to do this video, guys. You guys know how I feel about the small little bottles conditioners coming, how quick they run out, and where the prices really don't make sense because I just use it one time and it's done. How? I bulked up on these and I got these from Amazon, so let me talk about this. So let me talk about this one first. So it's the Tresemme Keratin Repair Bond Plex Restores and Shields right here. Okay, so this one isn't my favorite out of the 2. I'm gonna talk about the other one just now, and it's also from Tresemme. This is 20 fluid ounces, and I already got about 3 uses from this. We love that, right? I also bought a 3-pack of this. I really needed go-to conditioners. That's how bad it is because I can't rock with the sizes, and I can't rock with the fact that I have to continuously buy conditioners. I mean, I know your shampoo will last you longer, but when my shampoo lasted me a whole 3 months and my conditioner lasted me 1 wash, why? I understand, but no, 1 wash? Okay, this is very moisturizing and it helps with detangling, and they have the Bond Plex. I guess that's something like what Olaplex does. A lot of companies are getting into that. I will put this one in the I like category. It smells like regular unscented drugstore conditioners type vibe. A little does go a long way. That's why I've gotten so much uses out of it. It's good, but listen to what I'm gonna say now. I feel like after I wash it out, maybe that's because of the Bond Plex in it, and it is a keratin repair, so I don't know, I have to watch what I say because maybe that's what it's supposed to do. After I wash it out, my hair isn't as moisturized. Yeah, but maybe that's the feeling I'm supposed to get from it. Oh yes, man. Hydrolyzed keratin is the 5th ingredient. So this does have in protein. So yeah, maybe that explains the feeling I get after I use it. So this is definitely a conditioner that I won't use as often, and I think I would repurchase, to be honest, y'all, because sometimes I don't want to deep condition my hair, and if I can use a conditioner that gives me moisture and protein, I'll be hair free. And the price point is, especially since it comes in a 3-pack, God heard my cry. So I'm loving that I got some conditioners that I know for sure that I will repurchase and it will do what they're supposed to do. Your girl needs conditioners for those days where I don't wash and deep condition. Sometimes we can wash and condition and just go out the door, okay? We can do that sometimes. The next one now, also by Tresemme, is their Pro Pure Damage Recovery Conditioner. So it has 0% silicones, parabens, and mineral oil. So this one is more on the natural side. Okay, this goes on my hair like butter. This melts into my curls and it just makes my hair so soft, moisturized, and it's so easy to detangle. And you can't beat the price, especially if it's something you're just gonna be trying out to see if you like it. But you can try it if you want. Same type of smell. This is something I love and I will definitely repurchase. I'm excited to buy more of this because my conditioner prayers have been answered, and this has been happening for years, guys. I just couldn't find a go-to conditioner that I know that I would repurchase. So it's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's just let's move on to leave-in conditioners. Okay, so next up I have the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, made with aloe vera plus avocado oil, 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. So this one is in the I like category. It does moisturize my hair. It does help make my hair soft and detangled, but I don't know. I feel like it just gives a type of feeling on my hair after a while that I just don't care for. First day or so, the moisture hits you like boom, and then after a while it's just like womp womp bam. But okay, I don't think I would repurchase this though. Don't get me wrong, it does what it's supposed to do, but I'm just not impressed, if you know what I mean. I can't tell y'all the smell. I can't help you. I cannot help you, boo. I really cannot help you with the smell. I'm sorry. Let me try. Should we bring the hair to the front? Let's bring the hair to the front. We just had the hair chilling at the back. Come forward. Okay, let's rest this right here. Our next leave-in conditioner is by our cousin Blue Magic. It's their tea tree oil anti-breakage complex. Wow, anti-breakage protein complex leave-in styling conditioner. You guys know I really love the olive oil leave-in conditioner from Blue Magic. There's also protein in here, but let me look at the ingredients real quick. I should be doing this way before I use these products, but hydrolyzed wheat protein and vegetable protein. I feel like there's a good balance between moisture and protein, and it keeps my hair moisturized. It's not a moisturizer, okay? It's a leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner that keeps my hair moisturized for over a couple days before I actually go in and style. It's not no one day moisture type of thing. Like, this is in the I will repurchase category because I run through leave-in conditioners like nothing, and the fact that I can get a lot of uses out of this. It's 13.75 ounces and it just does what it's supposed to do. So you're gonna give me moisture and a little protein. And the last product, we wrapping up now, the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel. This smells like Kool-Aid, and it's not too thick, but it's not watery either. It's just a perfect texture. If I were a wash and go type gal, this would be something that I would repurchase like clockwork. I use this in my recent get ready with me video. The video shouldn't be too far down, so if you haven't seen that, if you want to see how this works on my hair as a wash and go, you can check that out. The only thing is that it didn't last, the wash and go didn't last as long, and I did have flakes after a while. That's the only thing. I use it to slick down my hair as well, and it worked really well to slick down my hair. It didn't last long either. It's a great gel if you don't want to do too much, if you don't want too much hold and crunch. I would put this in the I like category, but this also doesn't mix well with other products. Well, the products that I have tried mixing it with. It's in the I like category still though. I may or may not repurchase. It just depends, because you guys saw that I ran out of gel and it took me a while to get some, and this was holding me down before I got some gel. So that's why I'm not too sure about what category to put in. It's not a love, it's a like, but it's a like to where I may or may not repurchase. You understand? But also gels aren't my favorite category for products because I don't really use much of it unless like I'm slicking my hair down or something. It's good to have a gel around, especially on the days when you run out, like recently. But anyway, yeah, I'm still trying to downsize on the products that I do have, and I've been doing a good job. I don't have as many products that I used to have, and I'm feeling lighter and lighter because I'm just using products that I really like. But I do like trying out new products from time to time, don't get me wrong, but it just feels good when you just have a core set of products that you reuse and you repurchase most times. That's it for now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've tried any of the products that I mentioned down below, let me know how you feel about them. For real, for real. Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know your experience with using them if you have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.